So mobile isn't only for new content, but for existing content. What existing content have you written? Has your corporation written that can be used as audio or video? I'm a business professional. I'm traveling 70% of the time. Put my earbuds in between layovers, let's go somewhere fabulous, Sydney and Switzerland. I can be listening to your best practices. The average commute time, 23 minutes each way in the US. They do that every day. Pop in a set of best practices in audio and they can listen to it. And they can also extend it to their computer and their mobile phone. There are all sorts of ways to use these new tools. Text can be difficult to read on smaller screens. That's why go with video. Also, new tools. If you have an industry report, I do a lot of B2B work, so we do a lot of data points. B2Bs love data. So we have huge reports and reams of text, but I can extrapolate key points and I can make them 140 character tweets and 160 character SMS alerts. And I've given my market information they need. So think about new ways to repackage existing data. Because if you have existing content, it shouldn't go to waste. Just get creative with it. Because let me tell you, it's hard to figure out how to create new content sometimes. Sometimes you need to go back to the content and say, what can I pull out of that? So, new ways to leverage existing content and new tools like video and audio in order to do so. And those tools work on your social media platforms, all the Web 2.0, all the digital, as well as mobile. Bonus! Okay. Bright ideas to leverage existing content. I'm going to give you some ideas here. Because a lot of times companies say, well, I'm not sure where to start. Case studies. Turn case studies that are text and long into quick video segments, especially for your sales force, okay? Or into demos. Sales collateral. Turn sales collaterals into 30-second, 60-second video demos. I'm going to shortly create a 30-second video for my blog and my website. And that's going to be the first thing people see on this device, and they have the ability to see that on laptop and PC devices. It's that much more personal. I've turned something in collateral, text-heavy form into video. Interviews. Run video and audio interviews with authors of the content they've already created. Speeches. Turn speeches that were given at an industry event, which you taped and ran on YouTube, into an audio slideshow, that same PowerPoint deck. Use that same content and reimagine different ways that you can keep using it. Longer form content. Remember the Marketing Profs app that I showed you guys? They'll have longer form content at their web, but on their mobile app or their mobile website, they create shorter content bursts. The content should always fit the device to which it's formatted for. Industry news, breaking developments. Doesn't matter if your industry is supply chain manufacturing or mobile tech, you're going to have breaking developments. I'm interested in those industries. I want to sign up for your SMS alerts. It's information your research department or yourself or Google Alerts already checks for you. Why not be the first to offer that to your business audience and do them a solid by keeping them up to speed, whether those breaking developments happen while they're at work, while they're at the park with their kids on Saturday, or while they're grocery shopping. Because it doesn't matter where you are, you have a responsibility to know information. That's a competitive advantage. Facts and factoids again. These are great for Twitter and SMS alerts. Company announcements and event-centric content, like we talked about those in-venue apps. What if you were to create event-centric content in SMS alerts? Stuff you're already doing, content you're already creating. Think of new ways to repackage, reimagine them, and with new tools.